In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix email not accepting on UpScrolled. So if you're trying to create the account on UpScrolled and the email is not being accepted, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be that the email is already taken by another user. In that case, what you have to do is deactivate the account associated with this email. After that, you'll be able to create the account with this email again. If this is not your problem, the problem might be the network connection. Sometimes it might be because of the unstable network, so make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the app. For that, launch up an app library of your device, find the application for UpScrolled and long press on it. Now tap on this option App Info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the App Info interface of UpScrolled. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option Storage and Cache that you can see on the screen. Now in the storage interface, you'll be able to find two options, Clear Storage, Clear Cache. Tap on this option Clear Cache that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, the cache will be cleared. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, there might be some problem in the application itself. So in that case, what you have to do is simply uninstall the application and reinstall it again. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If these methods do not work, there might be some problem with your device itself, so simply try restarting your device. Long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option Restart and the device will be restarted. After that, your problem should be solved. Now the email should be accepted. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix UpScrolled email not accepting. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.